Is ServiceTitan a SaaS company? You've probably heard the term SaaS thrown around a lot lately. It stands for software as a service, and it's a way of delivering software applications over the internet. Think of it like Netflix for business software. You pay a subscription fee, and you get access to the software without having to install it on your own computers. But what about ServiceTitan? Is it part of this SaaS revolution? Let's dive in. First off, what does ServiceTitan actually do? It's a cloud-based software platform specifically designed for home service businesses. We're talking plumbers, electricians, HVAC technicians, and the like. ServiceTitan helps these businesses manage everything from scheduling appointments to dispatching technicians, invoicing customers, and managing their finances. Now, let's break down the SaaS model a bit more. What makes a company a SaaS company? Essentially, it's about how the software is delivered. If you access the software through a web browser or a mobile app and pay a subscription fee, chances are you're dealing with a SaaS company. There's no need for complicated installations, updates, or IT teams to manage the software. So, does ServiceTitan fit this mold? Absolutely. It's a cloud-based platform, meaning you access it through the internet. You pay a subscription fee based on your business size and the features you need. No need to worry about software updates or installations. ServiceTitan handles all that behind the scenes. But it's not just about delivery. SaaS companies typically offer their software as a service, meaning they take care of the infrastructure, security, and maintenance. You, the customer, focus on using the software to run your business. Again, ServiceTitan checks all the boxes here. They manage the servers, the data centers, and the security measures to keep your business information safe. Another key characteristic of SaaS companies is scalability. As your business grows, you can easily scale up your software usage. With ServiceTitan, you can add more users, increase storage, and access additional features as your business expands. No need to invest in new hardware or software licenses. So, to answer the question, is ServiceTitan a SaaS company? Without a doubt, yes. It meets all the criteria of a SaaS company. It's cloud-based, subscription-based, and offers software as a service. ServiceTitan has successfully leveraged the SaaS model to provide a powerful and efficient solution for home service businesses. But let's take a step back. Why does it even matter if ServiceTitan is a SaaS company? Well, understanding the SaaS model can help you appreciate the benefits you get as a customer. You get flexibility, scalability, cost efficiency, and access to the latest features without the hassle of managing the software yourself. So, the next time you hear about SaaS, remember ServiceTitan as a prime example of how this model can revolutionize an industry.